care where Nikki is. I want your attention. I want your attention. That's a boy. Come on. You know what I'm asking? Onto the feed. I love it. You watch his ears, you can tell when I'm asking him for something. He starts to pay attention to me. If I didn't have so many 2-year-olds to teach me work, I would grab you in a heartbeat. Swap. Itching her back, rolling. Hello, Carolina. And these two monsters are not 2-year-olds, they're yearlings. Both still stallion. Walk on. Yep. Somebody cut across and came home. There he is, lying by the gate. All right, you slackers, what took you so long? Hi, Tip Tip. What is that? Huh? You know Tippy. You know Tippy, it's okay. I'm just going to let him go and see where he goes. Yeah. You know what? Once you have shoes on, we'll be able to do that. We can just go off down the road another direction, but that's all bleachy down there. It'll be very hard on your feetses. What a good boy. Walk on. No, we're not going that way. We always take the biggest possible route back to the barn. We have a weed down here called curly dock. We have it in Colorado too. And I have managed to kill it off in most places, but there are two spots right there in the yard where it comes up year after year. It drives me crazy. Hello, girls and boy. Rosie's out eating on the hay. Her baby's crashed out in the sunshine. Storm is somewhere in the middle of that mix. Walk on. Walk on. I know you don't want to go back. We're going back anyway. Another month, Brennan will be here, and then we'll set things up in the yard as obstacles, and it'll be fun to drive around them. Can you step up another couple steps, please? Walk up. Whoa. Perfect. Just like that. And so we are home.